This video is going to show you how to install GATORSTEP flooring. Pretty straightforward process. Also applies to seadeck as well. First step would be to clean the floor. I'm going to sweep and vacuum all the large pieces, dust, dirt. Maybe pull up the panel, clean out the cracks first. Now this Malibu, it's a 2012 VLX, has the table mount in the center, so that's going to be the spot that you're going to center the pad on, and then you're going to have to go to the sides, and make sure those are all lined up. Once you get everything lined up, put a piece of blue tape here and at the back, and that'll hold it into place while you start peeling off the backing. Alright, so we've got it centered up, got the blue tape down, and you can kind of eyeball it. If you want to measure each side, you can, but if you just eyeball it, make sure everything looks symmetrical along the edges, you'll be pretty good to go. Added yet more blue tape because we're going to stick the front side first. That'll hold the back side down, keep it from moving while we're trying to put it down. And then once the front side's adhesed, then we won't have to worry about the back end. Alright, so we're going to pull off the front blue tape piece and then start removing the backing on the front side as well. Kind of hard to do the phone and everything all at the same time, but just peel back the first half of the backing and then adhere the front edge first. Alright, so we've got the backing off and we folded the backing nice and neat. I'm going to lay it down, push from this end toward the front, right in the center, and let it drop down and get stuck. Once that's stuck, then we can pull the tape off the back, get the backing all the way back, and adhere the rear end part. Alright, so I've pushed down and stuck the center part. You'll notice here I've got a vinyl floor roller that you can get at Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever, Amazon. And this is what we're going to use to make the backing, or I'm sorry, the sticky adhesion really get down on the floor hard. And once we're done, we'll push really hard on it and it'll roll it out, just like you would on a vinyl floor install. Roll from the middle out to the edges. I'm just using one hand here, but you want to use two hands. Get it to adhere nice and tight to the floor. So we've got the blue tape removed. The front end is fully stuck to the floor. Now we're going to get rid of the backing, and you can see got it folded back there like this. We're just going to peel it up, and we're going to lay the rest of the floor down one section at a time and roll it as we go. Got about halfway done. We've rolled as we pulled up each new little section of backing. We just keep going back farther and farther. Keep rolling our way backwards. One section at a time. Centerpiece is down, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. We have to remove the screws next. If you had snap-in carpet, of course. If you had glue-in carpet, that would have been a whole nother project for you to take care of before you started this. So we can just take these snaps out. There's a screw in the center. Take them out with a drill or screwdriver. flooring will cover it up. So the front section with that port there is going to be a little more obvious as far as centering the hole. So I've centered the whole thing, taped it down real well. I'm going to adhere the back end first to make sure I get the hole lined up, and then run my way forward. Everything's taped down securely. Just didn't want to have the hole off-centered, so that's why I'm going to do the back first. Peeled off the backing at the rear and torn out the piece here so I can see all the way around the circle. Make sure it's even, and I've adhered this part to make sure it's not going to move. Now we can continue to peel the backing off, seal it all the way to the front as we remove the blue tape. So pulled back the front end, we're going to peel back the backing one step at a time like we did the other piece and roll our way forward. Full installation is complete. Here's the final product. No more carpet. You could lay the carpet down if it snap out, but I don't see a reason to do that. Maybe wintertime, dry suit weather maybe. They also offer the kits that go on the front up along here, but I didn't really care for the look, so that could be done at a later date. Also, my swim platform is still in good shape, so I decided not to do that one. Thanks for watching.